Welcome to our channel EDUCATEGENIX. Today we will show you the tips and tricks to learn. Hello friends, welcome to algebraic factors. Today we are going to look into quadratic factorization. Quadratic factorization is when the degree of the equation is 2. I have to split this equation up into two factors, something into something, like, and get it in the form x plus a into x plus b. I have to arrive at this. So how am I going to achieve this? There is a very easy method to do this. Once you understand the basics, any number that comes, you can factorize it. Now, how we do this? The coefficient of x squared into the constant. My coefficient of x squared is plus 1. My constant is plus 10. Plus 1 into plus 10 gives me plus 10. The signs play a very important role in all algebraic equations, so do not ignore the signs. I got to split this 10 in such a way that its factors can be used to split up the 7. How I'll explain. The 7 has to be split up in such a way that its factors and the 10 sum up. I'll show you how. Now, what are the factors of 10? The factors of 10 are 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. I can add them or I can subtract them. I'll show you what are the possible answers. 5 plus 2, 7. 10 plus 1, 11. 5 minus 2 gives me 3 and 10 minus 1 gives me 9. So I can use these factors to get 4 answers, either 7, 11, 3 or 9. As of now, my requirement is 7. So I will split this up into 5. So plus 5 into plus 2 is going to give me plus 5 into plus 2 plus 10 and 5 plus 2, 7. Yes, it gave me a plus 7. Let us split up this middle term in this form. I just have to suffix an x here. So x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. What is the next step? Next step is grouping them up 2 by 2, taking out the common from two terms and forming two brackets. My criteria here is to form two brackets that are same. When in this step, I'll get one bracket here and one bracket here after taking out the commoner. Both the brackets should be same. In this, x is common. So remaining is x plus 5. In this, I can see plus 2 can be taken out as common. I again have x plus 5. So I have got two same brackets. Now I have this as one term and this as another term. In this, I will take out x plus 5 as common and the remaining I will put in the next bracket, x and plus 2. So x plus 2. I have factorized x squared plus 7x plus 10 into x plus 5 into x plus 2. Now, from here, I can directly give you this answer without going through the steps. It's an easier and shorter method. How? As you looked at this factorization here, if these conditions are met, the x, a is the plus 5 and b is the plus 2. X plus 5 and x plus 2 if the coefficient of x is only 1. This applies only if the coefficient of x is 1. There is no other number apart from 1 with x squared. In that case, you can directly, after this factorization, it splits up into x plus 5 and x plus 2. This is the working of it. So, the shortest method to do is, after you split this 10 up, you get the 7, okay? And just you can directly from there itself write the answer, that the answer to this is x plus 5, x plus 2. The signs play an important role, else these signs will go wrong. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in for the next video. Please like the video, share and subscribe. Please comment for any doubts, comment for your questions and anything new that you need to learn. Thank you.